Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a savings plan with Capital One easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start a savings plan with Capital One, begin by visiting the Capital One website. On the home page, locate the Savings Accounts section. Click on this section to explore different savings account options. Review the available accounts to find one that suits your savings goals. Once you've selected an account, click on the Open Account button. You will be prompted to create an online account if you do not have one already. Provide the required personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Next, enter your social security number for identity verification purposes. Continue by filling in your address and employment information as requested. After entering your details, choose a username and a password for your online account. Once your account is created, log in using your new credentials. Select the savings account you wish to open and read through the terms and conditions carefully. Confirm your acceptance of the terms and proceed to fund your account. You can typically fund your account through a bank transfer, direct deposit, or by mailing a check. Set up your initial transfer amount and frequency if you wish to automate your savings. After funding your account, explore additional features such as setting savings goals. Consider setting up alerts to help keep track of your progress. Review your account regularly to ensure you're on track with your savings plan. Enjoy the benefits of using your Capital One savings account to reach your financial goals more efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.